English to Pashto sentences. What do you need? Sta sapakar di. What do you need? Sta sapakar di. What do you do? Ta sakar kai. What do you do? Ta sakar kai. Where are you going? Ta charta rawan ye. Where are you going? Ta charta rawan ye. Absolutely not. The sarana. Absolutely not. The sarana. I have no idea. Mata pata nishta. I have no idea. Mata pata nishta. I don't want. Z na vadam. I don't want. Z na vadam. See you. Bia melavigu. See you. Bia melavigu. See you next time. Bal waqt bia melavigu. See you next time. Bal waqt bia melavigu. Are you going with me? Aya tama sarazi? Are you going with me? Aya tama sarazi? Are you sure? Aya ta yaqini? Are you sure? Aya ta yaqini? By 8 da wahla. By 8 da wahla. Look dear. Ahwa gora. Look dear. Ahwa gora. Don't be late. Na waqta kawa ma. Don't be late. Na waqta kawa ma. Keep distance. Fasila sata. Keep distance. Fasila sata. Take care. Khiyal sata. Take care. Khiyal sata. You too. Tahum. You too. Tahum. Be ready. Tayar usa. Be ready. Tayar usa. Stop the chatter. Bak bak band kai. Stop the chatter. Bak bak band kai. Do you remember? Ayasta yadi. Do you remember? Ayasta yadi. It is very hot today. Nan dera garmida. It is very hot today. Nan dera garmida. Draw the bolt. Lat walagawa. Draw the bolt. Lat walagawa. Let him study. Predache haga padau ki. Let him study. Predache haga padau ki. You are such a lazy boy. Sumra narast halakita. You are such a lazy boy. Sumra narast halakita. I knew he would win. Mata patawa chi hagaba gati. I knew he would win. Mata patawa chi hagaba gati. I don't know anything about him. Mata hagabar ki his nadi malum. I don't know anything about him. Mata hagabar ki his nadi malum. What can I do? Zasakavesham. What can I do? Zasakavesham. What can I do for you? Zasta dapara sakavesham. What can I do for you? Zasta dapara sakavesham. At what time do you get up? Tasawah pasi. At what time do you get up? Tasawah pasi. At what time do you sleep? Tasawah udakegi. At what time do you sleep? Tasawah udakegi. She looks like her mother. Khaga د خپلې مور په شان ښکاري. She looks like her mother. هغه د خپلې مور په شان ښکاري. His face resembles his father. د هغه شکل د خپل پلار سره میلاویږي. His face resembles his father. د هغه شکل د خپل پلار سره میلاویږي. I did not recognize him. ما هغه ونه پیژندو. I did not recognize him. ما هغه ونه پیژندو. You have changed so much. ته ډیر بدل شوی یې. You have changed so much. ته ډیر بدل شوی یې. Don't you like it? آیا ستا دا خوښ نشو؟ Don't you like it? آیا ستا دا خوښ نشو؟ I never said it. ما داسې هیڅکله ندی ویلي. I never said it. ما داسې هیڅکله ندی ویلي. Leave it to me. دا په ما پرېږده. Leave it to me. دا په ما پرېږده. Do not worry about me. زما فکر مه کوه. Do not worry about me. زما فکر مه کوه. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Don't shout. چغې مه وهه. Call me as soon as you get there. چې هلته ورسې نو ماته فون وکړه. Call me as soon as you get there. چې هلته ورسې نو ماته فون وکړه. Tell me what happened. ماته ووایه څه چل وشو. Tell me what happened. ماته ووایه څه چل وشو. Move ahead. مخکې ځه. Move ahead. مخکې ځه. What happened to you? تا لا څه چل شوی. What happened to you? تا لا څه چل شوی. I don't mind. ماته هیڅ اعتراض نشته. I don't mind. ماته هیڅ اعتراض نشته. Money does not grow on trees. پیسې په ونو کې نه راهیږي. Money does not grow on trees. پیسې په ونو کې نه راهیږي. Turn on the tap. نل چالو کا. Turn on the tap. نل چالو کا. Turn off the tap. نل بند کا. Turn off the tap. نل بند کا. Do not talk rubbish. بکواس مکوا. Do not talk rubbish. بکواس مکوا. Step up your leg from the chair. د کرسۍ نه خپې لرې کا. Step up your leg from the chair. د کرسۍ نه خپې لرې کا. Sit on the chair. په کرسۍ کېنه. Sit on the chair. په کرسۍ کېنه. Close the book and listen to me. کتاب بند کا او زما خبره واوره. Close the book and listen to me. کتاب بند کا او زما خبره واوره. Are you listening to me or not? ته زما خبره اورې که نه. Are you listening to me or not? ته زما خبره اورې که نه. Tell me. ماته ووایه. Tell me. ماته ووایه. Keep a place for me. مال در سره ځای ونیسه. Keep a place for me. مال در سره ځای ونیسه. Tell him. هغه ته ووایه. Tell him. هغه ته ووایه. Ask him. هغه نه تپوس وکړه. Ask him. هغه نه تپوس وکړه. Wait a minute. یو منټ صبر. Wait a minute. یو منټ صبر. Close the window. کړکۍ بند کا. Close the window. کڑکئی بند کا. It's thundering, आसमान पड़केगी. It's thundering, आसमान पड़केगी. He is fast asleep, هغه په ژور خوب اوده دی. He is fast asleep, هغه په ژور خوب اوده دی. Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, press like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.